Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a fabulous day. I am so excited because yet again we have a brand new subscription to open on our channel, and look how freaking big this box is. It's huge. I cannot wait to see what's in it. I clearly have not opened it yet. But before we begin, I want to thank you all again for reaching 4,000 subscribers. I want to let you know that that giveaway is coming super soon, that I promised when I hit that big milestone. I ordered some stuff online, so I'm waiting for that all to get in. But in the meantime, I have a current giveaway that's ending super soon. It's ending on April 13th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. PM, by the way. So yeah, if you have not yet entered, I will leave the giveaway link down below. So today we are opening Variety Fun. This is a snack subscription, and it must be full of a lot of snacks. So I am super excited. As usual with brand new subscription boxes, I pull up their website, give you a little bit of information. And they actually told me they just redid their website, so it's very user-friendly. You can pick out the snacks and everything, but we'll get into that right now. But their website is pretty cool. I have it up right now. It says, delicious snacks delivered monthly. Variety Fun subscription service delivers an assortment of your favorite chips, cookies, candy, crackers, pretzels, popcorn, and nuts all in one snack box. Your first box starts at $14.99 with code FUN25, and of course I will leave that down in the description box, but you will also see that when you go to their website. So it's less than $1 per snack, which is definitely an awesome deal. So how it works, when you go to their website, you get to choose what type of box you want. So you can get a rotating variety of either healthy or classic snacks. And then they will curate a box just for you, ship that out, and then you will get it. So they have all these brands you've heard of, like Pringles, Kettle Brand, Jack Links, Rolled Gold, what am I talking about? Bear. They have like Cliff Bar, Oreo, Chips Ahoy, Nutter Butter, Famous Amos, like all big brands, and other brands I have not heard of too as well, which is exciting to try new treats. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. They say they have a wide assortment so you can enjoy your favorites while exploring new ones, like I kind of just mentioned. Fast and free recurring delivery, so you can shorten your grocery trip. And wholesale club pricing, so you get bulk value and bigger savings. So let's not waste any more time. Let's open this big box and see what is in here. I did eat breakfast already, so hopefully that's good, so I won't eat too many of these snacks right away. If I do, I actually have family coming into town tomorrow, or probably today, the day this video is going up, I believe. So it'll be nice to have some extra snacks. Okay, so it's a box within a box. It's still a big box. Let me get it out. So inside the box was another big box, and look how cute their box is. Variety Fun. It says their name right on the front, and then it says Taste, Explore, Enjoy. Has their website. Super cute packaging. Have any of you guys watched the movie Us? Every time I hold these scissors, it makes me think of it like, do I look creepy? Probably not. Oh wow, oh my god, this really is packed. Look at this when I open it. This is full of snacks. Oh my goodness. It says, again, taste, explore, and enjoy. And then they have a little note from me with another logo on the back. Hi Kitty, we love watching your unboxing review videos. Because we love what you do so much, we wanted to send you one of our snack subscription boxes to try. Smiley face. We hope you have fun while you taste, explore, and enjoy this delicious box of snacks. Snack on, the Variety Fun team. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so excited to try all this. You guys, this looks so good. Look at all this stuff. Okay. First thing I see is all natural, 100% fruit, Fuji apple, crunch dried snacks. I like these. I feel like it reminds me of like baby food, because when I would babysit, like kids would have stuff like this, but they're so good, and it's an easy way to get your fruits. Like if you can get kids to eat them, like, you know, works for us too. Awesome. Only 35 calories too, so that is a healthy option. Yes. Yum. The next thing I see is from Farm to Bag, Benito's Super Powerful Beans, Hint of Lime. This is like exactly what I love. Like I've gotten like is it jalapeno lime or something chips before, and they're so good, so I'm feeling I will love these. This is made from sustainable crops. It has 5 grams of plant-based protein. It's a good source of fiber, non-GMO, no preservatives, vegan, gluten-free. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Oh my god, I love these. This is by Angie's. It's Boom Chicka Pop Sea Salt Popcorn. It says gives you whole grain energy, 80 calories per bag, non-GMO and gluten-free. This is awesome. Yay. Oh, I like this too, Skinny Pop. I had a huge bag of this in my pantry and I kind of forgot about it and it got stale, so I'm so happy to have more. I'm trying to get healthier. Summer's coming, gotta look good, so I love having healthy snacks. So yeah, this is 100 calories per bag, non-GMO, gluten-free, awesome. This is so great. I love Kettle Brand chips so much. This is the Kettle Brand Backyard Barbecue chips. I've tried these before and these are amazing. And by the way, when I've been opening them, I've been glancing at the expiration and it's not until September. Yeah, because I've seen some of these boxes where you get like so much stuff like this one, like there's so much more to go through that sometimes they're like close to expiration, but these you have some time to eat. So this is like legit awesome. So super pumped about that. Ooh, what's this? Isn't this cute packaging? This is by Squeaky Pops. This is apple cinnamon chickpea and rice popped chips. This is non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and nut-free. There are 90 calories in this bag. Okay, this bag is like the cutest packaging ever. Super excited about that. So I was just looking at my viewfinder. I'm like, is something in my mirror? It's just this big box. Ooh, this is by Popcorners. It's made with real vegetables, Flourish lightly salted veggie crisps. This is made with greens and beans, with yellow corn, green peas, and yellow peas. It's never fried, gluten-free, non-GMO, 120 calories per serving. You guys, this is awesome. Okay, this is like right up my alley. Pop Chips Zesty Jalapeno Cheddar. This is like my favorite all-time flavoring ever. I've not tried this before. I didn't know they had this, but I do love Pop Chips. So this is gluten-free and 100 calories per bag. You guys, I am so excited. This sounds so good. And like, there's so much more to go, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on each item, but yum, oh my god. Oh, I just tried these and they're so good. Popcorners Sweet and Salty Kettle Corn. I got this in another box and they're so amazing. I tried them so I can tell you that firsthand. Awesome. Ooh, I've tried these before too and I love them. These are garden veggie straws, like the veggie salt, straws with sea salt flavor. These are good. These are also a healthy snack. 30% less fat than the leading potato chip. Awesome. Oh my god, I just have like a pile of snacks I've already showed you guys and there's still so much more. For $14.99, oh my god, and these are all like so good. Oh, these are really good too, but I don't know if I've tried this exact kind. This is organic chickpea puffs, the Hip Peas vegan white cheddar. Yum! And this is cute packaging too. I love how it's called Hip Peas. That's funny. There is so much stuff in here. This is by Shrewd Food. Snacking just got a whole lot healthier. There is a noisy bird outside being rude. Excuse him or her. Protein Crisp Brick Oven Pizza. This is interesting. So this is 14 grams of protein in it. That is a lot of protein. That's awesome. I've mentioned this before, trying to increase my protein intake. What kind of bird makes that weird noise? Oh, Enlightened Bada Bean Bada Boom Sweet Sriracha. I love sriracha. Oh my god, I put sriracha on my eggs this morning. I put sriracha on everything. I go through like those huge things of sriracha so quickly. But anyways, this is sweet sriracha, crunchy, broad beans, 100 calorie snack pack with 7 grams of protein. I know I'll like this. Sriracha anything, yes. Then there's Smart Sweets gummy bears. These are sour. Ooh, I might have to send these to like Candace. I know she loves sour things. I do too. I guess I should try it. I've never really tried sour things in like so long. I make my mouth water thinking about it. And this is only 3 grams of sugar per bag, so that's really good for something. Free of sugar alcohols. Kick sugar and keep candy. Awesome. This is 90 calories, high in fiber. Dairy free, free of common allergens, it looks like. And it comes in flavors raspberry, apple, lemon, and peach. There is seriously so much left. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't have to go to the grocery store. Okay, so Nature's Banded Blueberry Apple Veggie Fruit Sticks. This is organic, made with real fruit and vegetables, all natural, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, all the good stuff. 90 calories per packet. Yes, yes, yes. How cute is that little raccoon on there? Love it. Ooh, and then we have Cookie Thins by Miss Thinsters. These are deliciously crunchy cookies. Chocolate chip. Yes, please. I love sweets. I love salty and I like just love everything, you know. But I love like having a little cookie after I eat, so having a healthy one would be awesome to have. Yay! Now we have Dang coconut chips made from sliced toasted coconuts. This is an original recipe, 120 calories. So yeah, I guess there's coconut chips that you eat. I haven't tried these before. Have you guys? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about any of these. There's a lot of things. Oh my god, this is like insane. Alright, so here's the one thing I will not be eating myself, but I could give away. This is a grass-fed beef stick by Chomp Snack Sticks. I'm surprised so far out of everything I've been able to eat all of it. This is like the one thing. So this is, yeah, some kind of meat thing. And then we've got IQ Bar Brain and Body Almond Butter Chip, like a protein bar it looks like. This is keto and paleo friendly and vegan. 6 brain nutrients, 10 grams of plant protein, 1 gram of natural sugars, and only 4 grams of net carbs. I love having these around. When I'm in a pinch and need something to eat, I love protein bars. Yes. Oh my gosh. These are so good. I love these snack packs by Sahale, I think is how you pronounce it, Snacks. This is the Berry Macaroon Almond Trail Mix. They make some good mixes. I've never tried this one before. So that looks awesome, something I definitely would like. And then we have a Fig Bar by Nature's Bakery. This is the raspberry flavor, plant-based, no high fructose corn syrup. Yum. Okay, there's like still like 8 things left. This is a peanut butter gluten-free bar. Oh, there's a cute bear on it. This is 12 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, gluten-free, vegan. Yum, yum, yum. This looks so good. You guys, I can't believe I have this many snacks. This is awesome. Ooh, olives. I love olives. But it says olives, like with love in it. Ripe black pitted olives. Yum. Chili and garlic flavored. Cool. I've gotten like little olive packs like this before. I love them. When I was younger, I used to not like olives, but I love them now. Oh my god, a Cliff Bar. I used to live on these in like pharmacy school. I like this flavor too. This is the chocolate chip one. Nutrition for sustained energy. Yes, definitely will be using that when I'm on the go. Oops, some snacks are falling on the ground. They're overflowing my little table I have in front of me. Ooh, I love Kind bars. This is a good flavor too. This is Kind Plus. This is the dark chocolate cherry cashew with antioxidants, gluten-free, low glycemic index. Yummy, yummy, yum. I love these bars. I haven't had a Kind bar in a hot minute. Yes. Yum, I love protein cookies because it makes me feel better about my decisions of eating cookies. Quest protein cookie, soft and chewy, chocolate chip flavored. It has 15 grams of protein, whoa, in one cookie. Less than 1 gram of sugar? No way. 9 grams of fiber, no gluten. Awesome. This looks so good. Oh my god, you guys. Good thing I ate before I'm filling this. This is insane. Annie's, I like Annie's stuff. Annie's homegrown organic bunny graham chocolate chip baked graham snacks. Yum, that sounds really good. I love it. It's chocolate chip and not just regular graham. That just sounds extra yummy. This whole packet has 130 calories, if you're wondering. I keep saying the calories just because I'm like, yes, they're all like really not too caloric at all. This is by Biena. It's chickpea snacks, honey roasted. There's 6 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. Less fat than peanuts. Yum. I can't believe that every single thing but one is good. There's 2 things in there left, but so far everything but one item. I'm like, yes. Ooh, yes. Okay, I think it's gonna be all but one. This is a RX bar. I like this brand a lot. I think they're based out of Chicago, actually. This is peanut butter chocolate. I just started to read the ingredients. It's made with 12 grams of protein. There's 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS. Yes, please. And then the very last thing, which I have had one of these before, and they're freaking awesome. This is by Dalemans. This is a Stroop waffle. It's a soft toasted waffle filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. Yum. And this is 170 calories. This is such a good treat that you don't have to feel guilty about. You guys, that was so much stuff. Like, I can't count. It's overflowing my table, somewhere on the ground, and I'm gonna eat all of it but one thing. This is awesome. I'm so happy about this. I don't even know what my favorite is. These are like, seriously, it's like they like know what I like to eat. This is crazy. Like, they have such good brands in here, and I don't feel guilty about eating any of it. So, oh my god, thank you so much for sending this to me. Variety Fun, you guys are like the best snack box I've seen by far. And I'm not just saying that because I got this sent for free. Like, my opinions are always my own. No one can, I'm not getting paid for this. This is such a good snack subscription. I'm floored. Like, this is amazing. So, yeah. This video is almost 20 minutes already, it seems like, just for me opening snacks. I'm so happy. There's so much in here. It's such a good value. You can get your first batch for $14.99. It's like 30 cents per snack, it seems like. And these are definitely, like, if you go to like the gas station, these are a couple dollars, you know? So this is awesome. I'm very impressed, and I'm very grateful that I received this. So I will leave the link down below if you are interested, which, like, I'm sure you are, because this is awesome if you like to snack like I do. But yeah, I'm so happy. This has like made my day. I'm like in such a good mood right now. Can you tell I'm a big foodie? But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.